Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP 419 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP 419 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Here we find our printer official website and here we find our printer name HP Inktank Wireless 419. Okay, and here we find the operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows in a version. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update and this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find one option, last option, installation software and full basic driver support print and scan functionality only. Expand it. Here we find HP Inktank Wireless 410 series full software solution. Okay, go to here 410. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name 419 is also included. Okay. So click on this download, click on the download button. It's redirect to another HP official website and our download is started at the top. At the top, our download is started and it's take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our installation is complete. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy. Double click on it or right click on it. Click on run as an administrator. Wait for a few seconds. Click on the yes and our installation is started. First is unzip or extract and after that installation process started and it's take few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to unzip these files and after unzip wait for a few seconds also and after that our setup process is start. Wait for a few seconds to start our setup. Our setup is start in a few seconds. Our setup is start and it's show the continue. Click on this continue button. Okay, here we find many options. If you want to customize software selection, then click at here. I don't, so I click on the directly to the next. Accept the terms and conditions agreement. Select this, check this and click on the accept. Click on no thanks or yes. I click on the no thanks. You can also click on the no thank yes also. Both are same. Don't worry about that. And here we find 1 to 10 number process or 1 to 6 number process depending on the your Windows OS and the Windows version. It's depending on the your Windows. Okay, it's take 1 to 10 process. In my case, in some cases it show only 6 process or 9 process also. 1 to 10 process done, then it start next process of our installation. Wait for a few minutes to process is complete. Our process is complete. Our printers are installed. After that, it's asked for the manual setups are automatic. If you want to automatic, then go to the automatic setup. I prefer to go to the manual setup, so I click on the manual setup. You can choose any setup that you want. I click on the manual setup and click on the next. Here we find 3 options. First option is wireless. If you want to use your Wi-Fi, then select this process. Check this and click on the next. If you want to connect by the USB, connect your USB cable from your printer to your PC or laptop, then make sure power on your printer. Okay, and select this and click on the next. And if you want to connect your printer later by the USB or the Wi-Fi, then select this connect later. I am connecting it later, so I select connect later. You can select USB or wireless. Okay, both three are same. Okay, click on the next, and after that, if you're using USB, then it's take 2 or 3 steps. Click on next, and after that click on the finish. After that, as soon as you power on your printer and attach your USB cable to your PC or laptop, or power on your Wi-Fi, then it's automatically detect your printer and it start printing on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.